Page 27, a little dance. Take a look. You got treble and bass clef here, one flat. That means it's going to be, I guess, in the key of F major. Could be other things, but it's F major. Right hand first. Let's just go over the notes. You're starting here, so you're in F position. Rest. Rest. Play the rest. Be quiet. Last measure, the first line. 1, rest. 3, rest. Be quiet. Next line, you got to come up 1. You got to rest. You can move up. And remember the B flats. They're in the key signature. Second line, third measure. Now they're B naturals. And they're both B naturals. The natural sign applies for the rest of the measure. Rest, rest. And the last line, they're showing third finger there. They want you to come up again. I suggest you just stay where you are. Don't move. And use fourth finger. You do the fourth finger is actually easier. So why not just fourth finger? Rest, rest, rest. Because in the last measure, you got to have the thumb here. You have a rest. You can move down. Or you can stay there and just reach down. It's up to you. Try them both. Whichever you do, try and do this without looking at the keyboard. Now on the left hand, you just got the chords. So keep the left hand soft. It's one chord, an F chord. I'll get there. Give me a moment. Try and get all the notes down at the same time. You just lower the hand. Second line, look at this chord. Good grief. Well, spell out the chord. Starting at the bottom. The first note there is an F. Next note is a G. Next note is a B, except we have a B flat in the signature, so it's a B flat. And the top note is a D. That's the chord. Bit of an acquired taste, but it's there. Third measure over, it's the same chord, but now a B natural. And the last measure, the second line, again, B naturals. They're both B naturals. And then the last line, you have F, and then the C chord, and then this mess. You're just keeping the thumb where it is, and we're just using 3 and 5 for all the others. And so, put the hands together. Remember to keep the left hand a little softer than the right. The right melody's in the right hand. Rest, rest. So forth. Now add the staccatos. Nice short staccatos. A wrist staccato here in both hands is fine. Keep in mind this is a dance. You gotta imagine people dancing to this and have fun. Rest, rest. Staccato all the way through until the last measure. Now that's a tenuto on that last measure. You see the little line across? Hang on to it for the full 2 counts and maybe a hair over. Linger on that note. Now I'll go back and add the dynamics. Well, it's loud for the first 2 measures. That's the right hand that's loud. So play it loud. Keep the left hand down, sort of a medium soft thing. And the third measure, now it's soft. That's the melody that's soft, so the left hand has to get really soft. It's like a statement reply. The statement is loud and the reply is soft, sort of. Second line, same thing. Loud, soft. And the last line, the whole thing is loud. You're just finishing it off. In that last measure, we want to hear the F. That's the melody. Keep the left hand softer. Now for the speed it says allegro molto. Allegro is fast, molto is a whole bunch. So it's a whole bunch fast, whatever that is. So you decide how fast that is, and a little on the faster side of fast. Not super fast. There's other indications for faster than this, so it's just a hair faster than fast. Well, whatever. If they're dancing, it's a lively, fun dance. You decide. Let's go through it slowly. I'm not going to do the dynamics. We're just going to do the notes and the rhythms. It's really the rhythms here that are going to be the tricky. You got to get in the rests. Those are important. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest, rest. Rest, 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 rest.